Welcome to this card tutorial. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how this thank you card is made. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make the base rhinestone-free version of this card, and I'll show you later on where you would add and what you would need for the rhinestone version, which is simply just has one rhinestone on the head of the bird in this design. The first step is to take your pencil and paper that you're using for the base of your card and draw out the design. Next, once you have everything drawn out in pencil, take your dark gray pen and outline the tree, leaves, and bird. Once you have everything outlined, go in with the same pen and color in the branch. I ended up coloring it in or going over it twice just to make the color a little bit darker and more saturated. Once you've completed that, I used the same color pen for the lettering. And so I simply just traced over the pencil lines that I had previously drawn, and I thickened the downstroke of each letter slightly to give the lettering a bit of a calligraphy style or script effect. Once the lettering was complete, I switched over to two different gray colors to fill in the leaves on the branch. You could easily use different colors here for the leaves if you wanted to customize the design, or if you wanted to keep it even simpler, you could just use one color. However, I find that it was nice to have two different colors of gray. It's a subtle kind of variation, but I found it added to the card. Then the final step to make this base version without the rhinestone is to simply take your silver metallic pen and color in the bird. You could simply leave the card just like this for a simpler rhinestone-free version. However, if you do want to add a rhinestone to your card, I used a clear rhinestone, and then of course you're going to need some glue to glue that on. So I simply placed the one rhinestone on the head of the bird, and then once I had it in the spot I wanted, I just took my fast drying glue, which is my favorite glue by far, and just simply glued it on. And once the glue is dry, this rhinestone version of the card is complete. I really like the look that adding this singular rhinestone makes. It's amazing how you can dress up and fancy up a card just by adding a few rhinestones. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you try making this card yourself.